Good morning. This is very good start today. You see, I started the make this video today. Yesterday rainy day. Today sunshine in Skardu, Gilgit Baltistan. I think everywhere greenery. These white trees and apricot trees are here around me, and very beautiful weather. Everywhere greenery. Everywhere greenery. You see the top of the white trees very long. I think 200 and I think 200 feet and 2,500 feet same this year. These all white trees very popular in Skardu, Gilgit Baltistan. This is a very big business in here. You see front of me all our land. This is a very beautiful land and weather today in Skardu. Inshallah you like my this video, like and subscriber and share with your friends. Okay, this is a mountain of our neighbors. This is our I think my right side, this is a big mountain. This is a mountain, our circle of our land everywhere. And you see here, this is my cow big, this is my small cow, and other you see here. These all beautiful trees, white trees, apricot trees are here. And Skardu Gilgit Baltistan in the language of Shina, Jorote, the Urdu Khubani. I don't know about this name in Balti. Okay, thank you. I hope you everybody like this my video and share all your friends, and you are in group members. Very beautiful my video, inshallah. I hope you understand me and like and subscriber.